Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Photos from the Dock or Applications folder and wait for it to load. The app organizes content into three main areas called Library, For You, and Albums. Use the left sidebar to access those areas and view sidebar items like media types and people. Search any image by typing in the search bar at the top and press Return to see results. Import pictures by connecting a camera, iPhone, or SD card and clicking Import to add them into Library. Create albums to organize your photos by project, event, or person and drag images into them. Press Command-N to create a new album and name it so you can find it later. Use faces to group photos by people and places to see photos on a map. Add keywords to photos for faster searching and use the search bar to type dates, locations, or subjects. Smart albums can filter images automatically using rules you define inside the File menu. Select a photo and click Edit to access all adjustment tools and filters in Photos. Use the Crop tool, rotate as needed, and apply filters or precise adjustments with sliders for exposure, highlights, and shadows. You can revert to the original photo at any time by clicking Revert to Original in the upper right corner. When finished, choose File, Export, and pick one of three sizes: small, medium, or large for sharing. Share directly by mail, messages, or AirDrop to other Apple devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.